This assessment reveals a common mistake made in alkyne alkylation reactions, and that is to leave out carbons. How can we identify and avoid that mistake? By labeling our carbons. And so what we've done here, there's actually two things we can do for this one. I've labeled the alkyne as AB, so a 2-carbon alkyne, and we're reacting it with this 4-carbon alkyl halide. If we count the number of carbons in the product, we see that we have 3 here, 3 there, and 2 in the middle for a total of 8, when really it should have been 4 plus 2 for a total of 10. So just knowing how many carbons there are tells us that this carbon is 2 carbons short. The other way to identify the mistake is to look at the circled carbon. We could call that carbon 2 because it matches this one here with 2 methyl groups coming off, but it implies then that carbon A or B would have attacked carbon 2, but carbon 2 doesn't have the leaving group. And so let's see what the answer should have been. We should have made, and we won't draw the whole mechanism, we should have deprotonated to make this acetylide ion, and then attacked the alkyl halide here. And so we would have made a bond between carbon B and carbon 1. Do the same thing on the other side. The final product of this should have been this, where if we number the carbons or label the carbons this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So the bonds that we needed to make were between carbon A of the alkyne and carbon 1, as well as carbon B and the alkyne and carbon 1 of another molecule of the alkyl halide.